Hey there, if you want to send scheduled messages on Samsung Galaxy S25, then here's how to do it. First, you just need to go to your default messaging app from Samsung. Now enter that conversation that you want to use as that person that you want to send the message. For example, this is that person that I want to send a message, a scheduled message to that person. So you just need to tap on this plus icon here. When you tap on it, here you will find schedule message at the very first. You just need to tap on it, and from here you can set the timer that will use to send that message. If for example, if I set for Tuesday March 4 for 18:30, like here, if I set it this time and if I tap on done button, then it will set the time from here, you can see. And if I type a message and send that, it will send Tuesday March 4 2025 at 18:30. So this is actually the schedule message. Now for example, if I send this, if I tap on send button, now when you find this time here, this clock icon, then that means it has sent as a schedule message. When it will just send when you just add the time when you want. So this message will send like that time that I have set earlier in this video. So that's how you can simply send schedule messages on Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.